Hey everyone, today I want to cover what has become my most used indicator to date, and one that was actually picked for the TradingView editor's picks recently. It's called ICT Killzones and Pivots, and today I just want to go over the features of it so you know how to use it. You can get this indicator by going to Indicators and typing in ICT Killzones, and it should be one of the first that pops up. You can see this editor's pick right here. You can just add that to your charts, and essentially what we have here is just a bunch of auto-fitted kill zones or sessions where we're tracking the highs and lows until they're hit in the future. And we have alerts for this as well. I'll show you how to set them up a little later, but you can see how we have this Asia range. We have the high and low. It's hit right here. The lines stop extending. And this is where the alert would fire if you wanted to alert the Asia range. Same thing for London. The high gets exceeded here, and that's where an alert would fire. But basically it's just used to track the various sessions and where we're trading relative to the highs and lows that have been created. You can choose how many sessions you want to show, what your time zone is and all that stuff to get the most accurate readings. There's also some opening price stuff, on higher time frames and intraday and timestamps as well. So from this section, we can draw daily, weekly, and monthly opening price lines, as well as these separators so you can see where new days, weeks, and months are forming. So I have daily enabled here, so we can see our daily opening price and where each day begins. And where that might be useful is obviously if you're expecting a bullish market, you want to be buying below the open, and vice versa for bearish. You can do the same thing for the weekly time frame as well. So we auto plot the weekly open and where each week begins with these vertical lines. And the same thing for the monthly open as well, where we can see the monthly open and where each month begins. Going back to the intraday timeframes though, you can plot intraday opening price lines. So for example, I like to have true day, 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. as these are both the start of new 4-hour candles. And you can see all those plotting here. So for example, we have true day open at midnight, 10 o'clock opening price, previous days, 2 o'clock opening price. And you have as many of those as you want based on this session drawing limit, meaning we will draw up to 3 sessions in the past. And lastly, you also have these timestamps that you might want to add. So, 10 o'clock, midnight, for those that want to be very clear about where certain times are beginning. For example, true day open, price trades below that, huge expansion above, 10 o'clock opening price trades down into an imbalance, then continues to trade away. Now, I've already published numerous updates to this indicator, and I've been very clear that I want to make this a big community indicator, so if you have any ideas or anything you want to see, please let me know in the comments. Again, if you want to add this to your own charts, you can just look up ICT Killzones and Pivots, and it should be the first one that comes up. And if you want to add alerts to any of these sessions, basically what you'll have to do is enable alerts for all the sessions that you're interested in, and then once you've already done this, you can create a new alert, select the Kill Zones indicator, and just hit create alert. And then you should get alerts for all the sessions that you selected when price takes the high or the low of those sessions. But that's pretty much everything I wanted to show here. I hope this was helpful and that you enjoy using this. Again, any suggestions, feel free to let me know. The link for this will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.